Hello everyone. Today, I will guide everyone how to create Facebook accounts. As a real user, you can see it on the screen. This is the software with me. This software will help everyone. I have thousands of Facebook accounts on the computer and let it interact like a real user. People can see it. These are the features of the software. There's a lot of features like this: interactive audio, this ship, post, comment, texting, and so on. A lot of video. Today, I will go deep into what's called automatic interaction. To help these nicks, it has operational histories as a real user to the platform. Can't scan out these nicks or clone nicks. If you go into the details, people will. Go to the interactive section of this account. People will add this script. In this script, who can you set up with? Anyone can add anyone to it. The software with me integrates everyone. The latest today. Otherwise, everyone will set up under normal configuration. Here are the settings I will set up. Well, for example, how many seconds will people give it this refill? How many seconds to refill? People for 30 to 60 seconds, or 40 to 60 seconds, depending on who you are. Like some of these posts are not. People can be share this comment or like the story. It's like a story. People will also set the time here. I'll give you the number of seconds that people want. Let these guys watch a video. Go watch video. How many seconds to watch the video? Watch the videos. Every nick I see is using these videos. I'll show it for 30 to 40 seconds. Everyone wants to set up any configuration. People just need to plug it in. There are also friends here. Go interact with these friends. Interact with this UID. Interact with this group. Follow this page. Then, in this video, I will show you how to set up these nicks. It's going to interact like a normal user. I am using it and will save it. Once I have the script, I'll start. I will choose nick. Select the nick entry to post and interact. Will then be configured. And then people will choose the configuration and click Start. People can see it automatically. Go read this announcement. Here's the video. As you can see, it's all automatic.